Welcome. In front of me I have Oclean X Pro toothbrush, and I'm going to show you how easy you can change name of your profile in Oclean application. So at the first we have to move from the home to the about me. Then we have to click on this profile and click on the name. Tap second time. After that, when you input the new name of your profile, you can tap to finish. Click Saved in the right upper corner, and as you can see, the name of our profile has changed. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.